You know, in digital marketing, we spend so much of our time looking in the rearview mirror, right? Analyzing what already happened. But what if you could see the road ahead? Today, we're going to talk about the technology that's making that a reality, shifting us from just guesswork to genuine, data-driven forecasting.
All right, just imagine this for a second. You've got a list of 1,000 new leads. Now, instead of treating every single one of them the same, what if you just knew, with a really high degree of certainty, which 100 were the most likely to actually become paying customers?
And here's the real kicker. What if you had that insight before you spent your precious marketing budget trying to convince all 1,000 of them? That's not science fiction, folks. That's the power we're unpacking today.
So, this is the promise of prediction. It's all powered by a field called predictive analytics. And trust me, it's way more than just a new tool. It's about shifting your entire marketing mindset.
For years, marketing has been all about looking backward. We analyze last month's campaign to plan this month's. Well, predictive analytics completely flips that script. It's all about making informed decisions based on what the data says will happen in the future.
But how exactly do we turn this sea of raw data into smarter, future-focused decisions? And why is this so incredibly critical right now? Okay, at its core, this isn't some magic crystal ball. It's a pretty sophisticated process. You take all the data you already have on past sales, user behavior, campaign performance, you name it, and you feed it into these intelligent models. And these are often powered by machine learning algorithms that are designed to spot these incredibly complex patterns and predict what's coming next.
This slide really nails the difference. The old way is reactive. You are constantly looking in that rearview mirror, trying to make sense of what's already happened. The new way, the proactive way, man, that's like looking right through the windshield. You're using data to anticipate the turns up ahead.
And the benefits of looking forward are huge. I mean, suddenly your targeting gets sharper. You stop wasting money on ads you think might work, and instead you focus on what the data shows will work. You can deliver these personalized experiences that actually resonate, which naturally leads to higher conversion rates and just faster, better decisions all around.
So that's the what and the why. But where is this stuff actually being used right now, today? Let's look at some of the practical applications and see how these ideas build on each other. First up, lead scoring. This is a total classic. Instead of your sales team chasing every single lead, a predictive model scores each one based on all these data points, like their behavior on your site, how they engage with your emails, even their company's demographics. This lets your team focus their energy where it's going to have the most impact.
Next up is a much smarter kind of customer segmentation. We're moving way beyond simple demographics here. Now, we can group people by their predicted future behavior. I mean, for example, identifying a segment of users who are likely to upgrade their subscription in the next 90 days. That's an absolute game changer. And this one? This is a massive budget saver. Before you even launch a huge campaign, predictive models can analyze your options and forecast which ad creatives, which messaging, and which channels are most likely to deliver the highest return on your investment.
Now, this really gets to the heart of that proactive mindset. Instead of just waiting for a customer to cancel, churn prediction models can flag customers who are at risk based on these really subtle changes in their behavior, like maybe decreased engagement or fewer logins. This gives you a crucial window to step in and save that relationship before it's too late.
Okay, so this all sounds powerful, I get it, but how do you actually implement it? Well, it's not as daunting as it might seem. Here's a simple 5-step framework that really serves as a blueprint for putting predictive analytics to work for you.
So how does this whole process work? First, you collect, clean, organize data from all your different sources, your CRM, your ad platforms, your website. Second, you identify patterns by analyzing that data to find hidden trends and connections. Third, you apply the models. This is where the machine learning really comes in, to forecast those future outcomes. But look, insights are useless without action, right? So fourth, you take action and turn those predictions into actual marketing strategy. And finally, the crucial fifth step, you continuously optimize by feeding your new results back into the system to make it smarter over time.
So as we wrap up, let's just bring it all back to that central theme. This isn't just about a new tool or some fancy new technique. It's about a new reality for marketers, one that's built on a truly proactive mindset.
Let's just look at that framework one last time simplified. Collect data, find patterns, apply models, take action, and optimize. It's a continuous loop for growth that gets smarter with every single cycle.
And if you take one thing away from this explainer, I hope it's this quote. This is the fundamental shift.
It's the move from being a historian of your own marketing data to becoming a forecaster of your own success.
So I'll leave you with this question to think about. Take a good look at your current strategy, your reports, your team meetings. Are you spending most of your time analyzing the past, or are you building a system to predict and actually shape your future? Because the answer could change everything.